Another deadly guardrail waiting for an unsuspecting driver to come along and hit it. Damaged guardrail on Ohio State Highway 11 South, just south of Ashtabula. This guardrail needs to be immediately repaired, and this is a constant reminder of why whenever someone you know is in a vehicle accident, why you don't assume that it was just an accident. Very often, damaged guardrails, improperly installed guardrails, and guardrails that have the incorrect parts and pieces are oftentimes involved in crashes that involve death or great bodily injury. Again, YouTube channel exit 261 in Ohio State Highway 11 southbound, just south of Ashtabula.